More paste options from the clipboard group and the shortcut menu. We'll paste values. We'll paste values and keep the number formatting, and we'll paste values and keep all of the source formatting. We're going to paste just the formatting. We'll paste what's called a link to another cell that's referenced in the destination cell. We'll copy a picture in our worksheet, and we'll paste a picture that's a mirror image of a range of cells within our worksheet that will update with any changes in the source. So I've got the schedule that we used in the prior movie. It lists the paste options that are available when you left-click the paste command in the clipboard group on the Home tab. And these are the same commands that display when you right-click a cell and get the shortcut menu and hover over Paste Special. The cells with the bolded font with the blue fill are those command icons that show up at the top of the shortcut menu. They are generally the most commonly used commands. And then the cells with the gray fill are options that are only available either within the clipboard group or the shortcut menu. They are not available on the Paste Special dialog box, which is displayed as a picture on the worksheet. So once again, I'm going to left-click our source cell and press Control-C, right-click the destination, hover over Paste Special, and select values, left-click values. This is an option you'll use a lot, probably more than any of the others. We've taken what was a formula, and I'll arrow back over to it, equal 5 plus 6 with all the formatting applied in that cell, and copied the result of that formula without carrying the formatting over with it. Left-clicking E15, Control-C, right-click, hover over Paste Special, selecting the next option, Values and Number Formatting, left-click, and I get, obviously, just that. The only formatting that carried into the cell is the formatting for the number, and I get the result of the formula and not the formula itself. Left-clicking the next cell, Control-C, right-click, hover over Paste Special. The next option, Values and Source Formatting, left-click. So now I've converted the formula to the result of the formula, which is 11, 5 plus 6, but I've carried over into the destination cell all of the formatting that existed in the source cell. Left-clicking the next option. This is some more functionality from Excel that you'll utilize a lot. Not necessarily in this way. This is not the easiest way to copy formatting, but it is a way to do it. Control-C, right-click, hover over Paste Special. Other paste options, left-clicking formatting. I'm going to move the cursor. There's no content in the destination cell. If I put some content in there, let's say 50, and hit Enter, you can tell that I've copied all of the formatting over from the source cell into the destination cell. Left-clicking the next cell, paste a link. Right-clicking, hovering over the Paste Special flyout menu, going down to Paste Link, looks like a chain, left-clicking. We get a result that's a lot like going from the destination cell, pressing the equal key, and then arrowing to the source cell. The difference is the dollar signs that show up before E and 20. The dollar signs make this an absolute reference. The other alternative is a relative reference, and that's all covered in another movie. But what this does is paste a reference in the destination cell to the source cell. So if the source cell changes, the destination cell changes right along with it. To copy a picture, you need to first select a picture. I'll left-click and select the picture that we have on display in this worksheet. Control-C, right-click, and the option Paste Picture icon, looks like a mountaintop with a sunrise. Left-clicking that, I've now pasted a copy of the picture. The next option I didn't come across for many years after using Excel. In fact, I only recently discovered it. And it can be extremely useful depending upon what it is that you're trying to accomplish. To paste a linked picture, or what a linked picture is, first select a range in one of your worksheets. Control-C to copy. the destination cell, paste special, and then left-click linked picture. And we get a picture of the source that's a unified object that we can move around, resize, make smaller, make bigger. We can twirl it if we want to. I'm going to straighten it back out. But that's kind of not the cool part. The cool part is that this picture is a live picture. And when I change something about the cells that picture references, that picture will update simultaneously with the change that I make. So this is a very easy way to copy a component of your worksheet into another area of your worksheet and maintain all of the formatting and have the destination be a mirror image of the source in every way. So when the source updates, the picture updates, and as I said, it's very easy to move it around, and you're not at the mercy of column widths and row heights and any other formatting that's established in the destination. This picture will be displayed regardless of any of those things. So those are more paste options. We looked at pasting just the values, which you'll utilize a lot. We can paste the values and keep the number formatting. We can keep the values and keep all of the source formatting. We can just paste the formatting without carrying the content into the destination cell. We can paste a link, which is a reference to a cell, so that when the source cell is updated, the destination cell is updated. We can paste a picture or make a copy of a picture. Or maybe the best thing yet, to me anyway, is paste a linked picture, which is a picture of a range of your worksheet copied into a destination whereby a link is maintained, so any changes in the source are reflected in the destination, and the destination is an object, it's a picture that you can move, adjust, resize without regard to any of the formatting, column width, row height that exist in the destination cells.